guys, Krystal here. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna go ahead and do the Allure unboxing, and then we're gonna do an extra one of Influencer. If you want to go ahead and stay to the end of the video, you can definitely check that out. So yes, I've been doing a lot of unboxings today, and I thought I was gonna change my shirt, but I'm just like, fuck it. I'm not gonna do it today. So really quick here, I didn't unbox my last video on YouTube for you guys, but I unboxed it on Snapchat, and I showed you guys that the eyeshadow that I received was contaminated. It had fingerprints in it, and it looked like it had been swatched because it was definitely used. I emailed them, didn't hear anything back. I called customer service. They informed me that I would go ahead and receive a replacement within 4 weeks. It's been 4 weeks, girl, because my box is here. So I did open it up already to see if the replacement item was inside. It's not inside, and that's what I figured because they told me that replacements would be shipped separately. Again, haven't got it, so I reached out to them again, and I'm just waiting to see what's gonna happen. They said that they do not provide tracking numbers for replacements, which is very, very strange. But yeah, whoever works at Allure needs to definitely check up on their staff, because their staff is swatching shit, and I know that I'm not the only person, because I do follow the hashtag Allure Beauty Box on Instagram, and I do see that sometimes things are swatched and other shit like that, and that is not cool, dude. That is so not cool. That's unsanitary. And I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys, I already know that I should not have fucking done it. I should have not done it, because I was like, maybe it's just like a little finger swatch, you know, who cares, you know, just use it on your face anyways, right? I did. I used it on my eye, and I got a fucking sty. Don't do that. You don't know where that fucking person's hand has been. If you see your shit swatched, they could have just wiped their ass and not cleaned their hand, and now you got a sty and E. coli in your fucking eye. Don't do it, okay? Like, fuck, dude. Fuck my fucking life, of course. And I try to give people the benefit of the doubt and still used it like an idiot, and I knew better. But nope. Nope, nope. Nope, I threw that shit out immediately after that sty happened, because I was mad. And I threw the mascara away too, because I was like, fuck it, dude. If they use my eyeshadow, they probably use my mascara too. So anyways, let's go ahead and get on into the beauty box here. So rant aside, I will go ahead and say that I do like Allure Beauty Box. I like that they have different things than IPSY and Play by Sephora. A lot of the times what you see in Play by Sephora, you'll see in the IPSY Glam Bag, which is why I upgraded to the Glam Bag Plus. But I do like this. They also have like a little kind of like deal where you can pay $5 extra and you'll receive the magazine as well. So yes, this is what the little magazine here looks like. I do appreciate these. These are very, very, very helpful and stuff like that. So the first thing in here is from All Natural. There you go. And this is the Anywhere Cream Multi-Stick, and it says natural color. This is in the shade Grapefruit, which looks like a kind of coralish pinky shade. Okay, someone's definitely fucking with my boxes. Do you see that? You see that, right? Like, there's eyeshadow prints all over this. And if you receive something like this straight from the box, or like straight from the manufacturer, straight from whatever, it shouldn't have eyeshadow fucking fingerprints on it. That means somebody opened your shit and touched it. Take a video of this too. Okay, I needed a break. So yeah, obviously that shit was touched. I don't know what the fuck happened. I did swatch it on the back of my hand. That's what it looks like there. It hasn't dried down really. It's still kind of sticky. So this is something that I would prefer using on kind of like a natural day. I could see myself using it everywhere on the eyes, cheeks, and lips like it says, but honestly, I'm not going to touch this. I don't know what this person did with them. Like, they could have shoved this up their culo for all I know. I'm not going to use it. let's go ahead and move on to the actual bag. And on top of that, like, it wasn't even inside of the bag. Like, why wasn't it inside the bag? I just don't understand. Like, it would have been in here, you know what I mean? Anyways, moving on, let's go ahead and see that product here. It retails for $35. The next thing that I got in here is a facial mask. I really do like these kinds of masks. I love sheet masks. They're actually my favorite. And these here retail for $3.99 each. So it's on like the more affordable side. I do like the blueberries because they're antioxidants. And yeah, I will look forward to actually using that. The next thing in here is an Essentials. This is from Derma E, and this is the microdermabrasion scrub. This is what it looks like here. It's like a little sample size, and this here retails for $32 for the full price. It smells nice. It smells a little bit like lemons. It says grapeseed oil, so maybe that's what I smell. I don't see myself using it at this time, so I'll keep that aside. The next thing in here is from Belief, and this is the True Cream Aqua Bomb. This is what it looks like. It retails for $38 for the full size, and I'm gonna just open this just to make sure that it wasn't contaminated. It doesn't have like a little seal or anything to see like if it was or wasn't, but I opened it and this expires in 12 months. So I definitely need to keep these aside so that I can, oh look, it says right here used by 221, so I don't need to do it for that one, but for this one I still need to write when I opened it so that I know when to throw this out. So I have a few more things in here. This one is from Couture, and this is the Seriously Smoothing Blue Tansy Night Oil. So this is a blue tansy night oil. This here retails for $12.99. It doesn't have anything on the label, like on the bottle itself. So yeah, this expires in 6 months, so I'm not gonna open it because I know that I'm not gonna use it right now. It's like a short ass time to expire, but I have that. The next thing that we have is something that I get all the time. This is the Dr. Brandt microdermabrasion. So we have two microdermabrasion exfoliators, and this one is from Dr. Brandt. I've tried this before. I do like it. I do recommend it. This retails for $79 for the full size, which I do have and which I still haven't used. So I prefer my St. Ives one or the Equate exfoliator over this. But yeah, the Tatcha cleanser that I use has a little bit like little beads inside the cleanser, so it's kind of like a cleanser and exfoliator all together, so I do really like that. And then we have one more thing in here. This is from Momode, something like that. And this is a rose water toner, it says. So I don't like rose water for some reason. I'm like allergic to it or something. It retails for $23. If you like rose water, like the rose water spray, you probably would like this. I'm gonna go ahead and just hand this off to somebody else. I don't see myself using it, but I really do recommend toner. And if you are able to use roses or anything that contains roses on your face, you would like this. I'm pretty sure you would. It's one of those things that is actually very good for the skin, and it has the expiration date down here as well, so I can appreciate that too. So that is good. Overall, I think this box was an okay box. It was definitely skincare based, but that's what I figured when I saw this model. I think the one thing that I probably would have used is the one thing that has been opened. So yeah, and it kind of sucks because I just seriously contacted them today about last month's stuff being contaminated, and wouldn't you know, it's contaminated again. So guys, let me know in the comments below, do you get stuff that's been like swatched or has makeup prints on it or anything like that? Like, does that happen to you, or is it just me? Like, whoever's working in like my line of boxes is definitely touching shit, because that's gross. So let me know in the comments below if it has happened to you. Also, let me know what you guys thought about this month's box, if you received it, what it is that you got, because I know that there was different variations going out, and I know that if you are a newer subscriber, you also got an extra item. So yes, let me know what you guys got. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to go ahead and just say this right now, because if you don't want to see the influencer unboxing, because that's what I'm going to go ahead and do next, you can go ahead and click out right now. Thank you for watching the Allure part. And yes, let's go ahead and get started with the influencer box. So let's go ahead and just like, I am like in an upset mood right now, and I'm trying not to be, so I'm just clear my head. So about influencer, I believe everything should always be listed or linked for you guys in the description box if you ever do want to try it out. But this here is a free subscription box. Anybody can go ahead and try it out, and I mean anybody. You don't have to be a influencer or any kind of like, you know, thing like that. So all you really have to do is test it out, and then you go and you like review it. You can definitely post about it, you get extra points for it, but you definitely don't have to. So this here is what I got, and this is from L'Oreal Paris. This is the lash serum solution. Apparently it says condition and care for your lashes for denser, thicker looking lash fringe in 4 weeks. I have very long lashes, but I wouldn't say they're the thickest. Normally I don't purchase from L'Oreal because they're not cruelty free, but this was sent to me, so I guess I'll give it a pass. So it gives you like a little like step by step. It says check out our L'Oreal lash serum campaign, test out your L'Oreal Paris lash serum solution 2 times a day for 4 weeks. After 4 weeks of use, complete the post survey and share your review. So how to use: start with a clean, dry eye, prime applicator by twisting until product is visible. Twist cap 5 times. It says twist cap 5 times and apply onto lashes along the upper lash line. Allow serum to dry for 60 seconds before applying mascara. Apply twice a day, morning and night, for 4 weeks. Beauty tip: lash serum solution can be used alone or immediately before applying primer, mascara, eyeliner, or eyeshadow. It's suitable for contact lenses as well as suitable for sensitive eyes, and I definitely fall under sensitive eyes, which is why I can't wear my contacts. Yeah, normally like they provide like little coupons or something like that, but they didn't do that this time around. So this is specifically what I got, and every single box that they curate with, it's always different. Sometimes you get a lot of things, sometimes you get a little bit of things. I've gotten stuff from Yves Saint Laurent, I've gotten stuff from Marc Jacobs, and I've also gotten stuff from Maybelline, from L'Oreal, things that they provide you for CVS, you know, different kinds of things. So yes, this is what it looks like. You obviously, I got the full size. Obviously they give you the full size so that you can definitely try it out. I'm not gonna twist it or anything like that because I have mascara on, but it says to do it twice a day. I'm gonna test this out and let you guys know about it. Again, follow me on Snapchat and Instagram because that is where I update you guys on everything. So if you want to see how this works so that you can try it out yourself, follow me there. I will be giving you guys like updates. Yeah, so follow me there. I will be giving you guys updates as I am using this, so you can kind of see my progress as well, how well it's doing or how bad it's doing, depending on, you know, like my results. I know results differ between every person, so yeah. It does say 7 out of 10 women saw less lash loss. Wow. 7 out of 10 women saw less lash loss during makeup removal. Lash fringe looks thicker and denser after 4 weeks, and it is very, very safe to use. It says after 4 weeks, apply morning and night to lashes and lash line. I'm curious to see how well this works. Honestly, I have very, 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 very sensitive eyes. Almost anything can give me a sty, basically. So I'm very curious to see how this works, and I'm gonna go ahead and use it. Hopefully I don't get any kind of infection or sty or anything like that. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Have you tried this before? If you tried it, let me know if it worked for you or if it didn't work for you. It does say 7 out of 10. Hopefully I don't fall in that, you know, 3 category over there, because normally I do, but hopefully I don't. Again, I do have very long lashes. They're just not on the thicker side, and I do experience lash loss, so hopefully this helps. And if it does, maybe I'll go ahead and look into other lash serums and stuff, or I don't know. We'll see how it goes. We'll see what happens. So yes, that is it for this video. It is now at the end. If you reached it this far, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. I very much appreciate it. I love you guys so much. Thank you. And yes, let me know what you guys got. If you have influencer yourself, let me know if you got this or if you got something else, because I know that they always do a ton of different boxes. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching and sticking with me. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.